Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, we get the Iron Pig FJ55 running. As you saw in the last video, I went to PA and I got a 1977 FJ40 motor. So we're gonna pull this into Classic Motors shop and we're gonna pull out the block with the giant hole in it and we're gonna put this motor in. So that's kind of the basis of this video. Towards the end of the video, we will get it running and hopefully be able to drive. We had a couple other things we needed to get done, but overall the truck's starting to come together. Still have a ton of cleaning to do. That'll probably be in another episode, probably not this one. But you know, if you really like this stuff, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos, as it keeps me motivated to keep on picking up junk like this and keeping them going. So, hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you in there. All right, this is the maiden voyage of the FJ55. We got everything together. We got a motor, we got a trans. We just put new brake, smasher cylinder on it. We're gonna see if she moves down the road. It's a moment of truth here. Gas tank open. There's not a lot of gas left.